In our episode 12, we were showing you how paperwork looks like. Mr. Mui in the previous episodes has been explaining to the farmer how important it is for you to have paperwork. Paperwork looks like this. You see in here, it shows you the product, what you're spraying against, and the chemical that you have used to spray, the measurement you have sprayed, the date you have sprayed, and the number of knapsacks that you have used. And then you also note down the next date of spray. So this is just an example of Mr. Mui's paperwork. Then you can see also here product name, and then what you're spraying against, the chemical that you have used to spray, the measurements, the date of spraying, the number of knapsacks, the next date of spraying, and then you sign off. And you do this throughout your growing. Then also, this is one of the material that Mr. Mobi uses when he's teaching or training farmers. These are some of the insects that attack your pepper. We have false curdling moth, which is male, and the false curdling moth, which is female, and also how it looks like. Then it just teaches you a little bit more of the cycle. So we go ahead to see the cycle of what? So this is the cycle of citrus and the fruits that it affects.